Welcome, I'm Ukeme Isaac from Ultratech Systems. In this video, I'll show you how to use a simple formula to get this rating, just like what I have here. So if I change Chineye's point to 5, that's going to change. If I change Alfred's own to 1, that's going to change. And even when I put 0, it's just going to change. So just like what I have here, changing on the right side of this worksheet, and it is. So what can this be used for? Different kinds of purpose. You just see what I have here, and I have another example here. You can use it for a dashboard for different kinds of visualization. For example, I have here top 5 rated democratic countries in Africa. So actually Nigeria is celebrating her democracy today. Okay, so happy Democracy Day to all Nigerians. So what I have here now, you can just see here, I just have them, so it can be used for this purpose. So quickly, let me show you how to get this done. So let me just delete this. I just need one function. The function is a REPT function. It's a text function that is used to repeat text a given number of times. So I'll just say it equals to REPT, and I'll open my parentheses. The first thing here is the text. So the text, I'm actually looking for this star here, and the star is not something you just click in Excel. So we have to bring it up, and Windows allows you to just insert emojis. Even you're working with Word, PowerPoint, any other application. So you press Windows and semicolon, you have these stars here. You just for you to click on the star, and then you have that. But since this is a string, I didn't want to begin by putting the quotation mark. A string in Excel will always have to be in quotes, so we have to make sure that the star is enclosed with a quote because it is a string. String simply means text. Now the next argument, this function has to argument the text and the number of times. So the next argument is the number of times this text will be repeated. So here I'm going to just click so that it will be depending on this particular cell. So I'll just close parentheses and I'll press enter, and then I'll just click and drag it down, or just duplicate on your fill handle so you see what we have here. If this actually changed to 1, you can see what we have. This changed to 4, all right, this changed to 5, and this changed to 2, and you can see. So that's exactly how it is. Thank you very much for visiting this channel. See you some other time.